Hi, so welcome to our Exercise.com channel. In this video, we're talking about personal trainer tips, mainly how you can make the most of your time with your personal trainer, but also a little bit about how you can know you are with a good personal trainer. I know that can be a little bit tricky to figure out as well, especially if you're going to invest time and money into working with someone. So these tips come to you from our knowledgeable certified personal trainers here at Exercise.com, so you can know that you are getting good tips because they're coming from the pros. Something that's important to keep in mind as we get into this is that you need to be setting realistic goals for yourself. This is kind of a key thing here. Set realistic goals both for the short term and the long term. Unrealistic fitness goals often leads to failure. So whether you're talking about working with a personal trainer, or just working on your own, realistic fitness goals are key. So that's just a little something before we get into this here is having realistic goals, a realistic mindset uh, usually leads to your greatest chances of success. We'd love to know, have you ever worked with a personal trainer? And if so, what was your experience like? Please let us know in the comments below. So, getting into our tips here about working with a personal trainer, aside from just setting those realistic goals, it's important that you are not afraid to speak up. Working with a personal trainer is having a relationship with someone. And you need to speak up to have communication when you're in a relationship with someone. And the same thing goes for working with a personal trainer. An effective personal training experience is a two-way street. So this relies on mutual respect and open lines of communication. So this is things like if you feel like your workout routine is too hard or if it's too easy, you need to let your trainer know. And then they can customize different types of workout programs for you. And if you don't feel as though your personal trainer is open to this sort of communication, then maybe they're not the right fit for you. So, but again, you won't know unless you speak up. So that's something to keep in mind. Take notes. Now, a good personal trainer should also be taking notes during their time with you, but you should be keeping notes as well. Note taking allows your trainer to identify your progress and whether you're ready to increase the intensity of your workouts, but likewise, you need to be jotting down notes when you're with your trainer and when you're working out. This allows you to keep track of what you're doing and the degree of difficulty in what you're doing, and allows you to keep track of the proper form of things. You can even use your phone to record short video clips during a session and things like that. Now, at Exercise.com, using our Pro plan, we have specific tools to be able to track things like this, especially if you don't want to keep track of pieces of paper. So we're going to come back to that near the end and talk a little bit about the benefits of being with our Pro plan and working with a trainer. Ask for a recap. At the end of each session, ask your trainer for a brief recap of what you've done. Asking about what you've accomplished and if they'd recommend anything specific for your next session will help you make the most of the next session and the most of the time that you just spent with them. If your trainer made any changes to your workout routine, find out the reasons why, so you can stay on the right track and get the most out of your next training session. Make sure you have mutual respect for each other. Although you are paying your trainer, obviously they don't want to just stand around while you're texting or doing something else that's honestly kind of disrespectful of their time. You need to be focusing on productivity as much as they need to be focusing on productivity. This is, they're professionals. This is professional time that you're spending together. You need to be holding each other accountable. So if you're distracted or if he or she is distracted during your time, you need to address that issue immediately. You need to maximize your workout time. Don't be afraid to try new moves. You hired a trainer to help you achieve your fitness goals. So don't be that person who's constantly dismissing any new exercises they suggest. You need to make the most out of your time together. You're not going to be able to do that if you're always suspicious of new things that they're suggesting for you. Likewise, your trainer should be suggesting new things to you. You don't want to get stuck in a rut. In order to reach your fitness goals, doing the same exercises over and over can hinder your progress. So, in order to identify whether or not you have a good personal trainer, this is one of those things. Are they suggesting new things for you? Are they challenging you to move forward and stretching your boundaries a little bit? Likewise, are you receptive to these sorts of changes? Make the most of that time together. Make sure that you trust each other as well. Trust that your personal trainer has your best interests at heart, and be open to trying new types of exercises. But also set boundaries. It is possible to be friends with your personal trainer and see results. Of course it is. But only if you set clear boundaries for yourselves while you're on the clock, of course, while you're working out. Training is psychological as much as it is physical. So if you're spending your time, your sessions together chatting about life, instead of focusing on your exercises and your form, you're going to have a hard time reaching your goals and you're not going to see as much progress. So stay focused, treat that time together as sacred time. That's the time you're paying them to do a job for you. So it's great if you become friends, but make sure that you hold your time as sacred time and hold each other accountable. I want to quick hop over, since I mentioned our pro plan, and show you what we offer for you at Exercise.com if you're interested in personal training. At Exercise.com, you can work with a certified personal trainer online. Maybe you're a little bit overwhelmed. Maybe you're interested in trying personal training and you don't know where to begin. If you sign up for a pro plan on Exercise.com, you get to work with a certified personal trainer online, and you have access to them through a great app that we have. This Ask a Trainer function. You have the app. The trainer is at your fingertips through an app on your smartphone you can take with you to the gym or at home. Obviously, it's on your computer as well. We have workout plans that certified personal trainers have built, already logged and loaded into the program, over 300 to choose from. But also, you can work with a certified personal trainer to build your own plans according to their advice that they may give you, and then you can keep those plans loaded in your account on Exercise.com as well. All of these things, along with advanced workout stats, are available to you if you go pro at Exercise.com. So that's another great option for you, especially if maybe you're looking for someplace to start and you're thinking that working with a personal trainer online might be the best option for you. So those are the tips that we have on how to make the most out of time with a personal trainer. We would love to know, again, what sorts of experiences you've had with personal training, so let us know in the comments. And like this video, if you learned anything in it that we hope you did, please subscribe to our channel, share this video if it was helpful for you, and visit Exercise.com today. You can log exercises for free and check out everything that our pro plan can offer for you. Thanks for watching.